Hello everybody, welcome to another day of class. Today is Monday, September the 21st, 2020, and in our language class we are going to continue talking about verbs. Before to start, we're going to watch a video, so please pay attention.
Regular verbs, irregular verbs.
So we know about verbs, but verbs are divided into two parts, regular verbs and irregular verbs.
Ricky believes that all the verbs in simple past tense end in ed. Nikki believes that some verbs in simple past tense do not end in ed. Ricky, my father sold his cow. Nikki, please say, my father sold his cow. Who is right, Ricky or Nikki? The verbs that end in ed or d.
Okay, so the verbs that ends in ed or d indicates an action that happens in the past or something that already happened. That is not something that is happening during the present. It's an action that already passed, already happened.
To indicate an action in the past are called regular verbs. For example, turn, turned, lay, laid, walk, walked, work, worked.
So the verbs that just need to add ed at the end are called regular verbs. Regular verbs. For example, turn, turned, play, played, walk, walked, work, worked. So, what is the difference here? That these verbs are in present, and here they are in past. So, let's go back again to the presentation. So, on page 84 of your book, you have here some information. Here says, verbs that tell about something that happens now are called present tense. So that means that if an action is happening now, it's in present. Verbs that tell about something that already happened are called past tense. We make most verbs past tense by adding ed or d. For example, today I opened my juice bag, and yesterday I opened my juice bag. So please copy the date in your notebook, and after you finish with the date, you're going to copy this information. Here I have the tenses of a verb. The present tense are the verbs that tells about something that is happening in this moment now, and the past tense tell us about something that already happened. The examples again. Today I opened. Open is in present tense. And yesterday I opened. Opened is in the past. Is in past tense. So most of the verbs we just add ed, but there exists another rules to change the form of the verb in past. But most of them we just add ed. So now is your homework time. In exercise 84 of your book, you have to complete exercise B and write C from page 84. What you're going to do first on the first exercise in the exercise B is that you're going to write your underlines. First, that's the verb in present and then the verb in past, like here. Laugh. And here you have today I laugh. This one is in present. And laugh with ed it's in past. Here I have ed at the end. I'm going to so it's in past. Then in the number 2, in the activity right C, what you're going to do is that you're going to write some sentences, normal sentences, declarative sentences. What you have to do is that you're going to write one sentence with the verb provided there, but you're going to change the verb into the past. So for example, the verb is ask. The first verb is the first ask. And you add ed to change the verb into the past. I asked my mother for permission to eat a candy. That was everything for today's language class. I hope you understood. See you until next time. Bye. Blessings.